Okay, I've tried 4 different versions of screen recorders and none of them work. So I guess we're recording our computer screen. Here's my layout for the proposed plant. The operation will start right here, where an operator will take any of the used sand from the end of the line and bring it back and dump it into the system here. This first machine here creates 1/2 of the sand casting, the green sand casting. And then over here, the first half will be rotated upside down and placed onto the second half here. Then it'll be pushed out to here, and a gantry, an overhead gantry, will pick up the sand casting and move it over here to whatever spot is open on this conveyor here. This automated conveyor will move the sand casting over here, and it actually goes all the way through. So in here, we'll have the molten metal being poured into these sand castings automatically. There'll be a laser switch to tell when the molten material is to the top of the casting. Okay. Then over here, they'll be pushed out and they'll go along here and they'll be sitting here for a while until they're cool. Okay. So after they're cool, there'll be an operator here who will knock out the metal out of the sand casting and put all the sand into a bin over here. Sorry, I don't have the bin drawn. Here you go. Okay, put it into the bin here. After that, he's going to trim any gates or any excess material off of it. He'll have a die grinder here, something cut off wheel that he can easily cut off. And then he'll place the good part onto a pallet here that'll go into the CNC machine. Okay, so now this casting will move into here into the CNC machine, and any operations that are needed are automatically handled in this CNC machine here. After, it'll come out, it'll be placed back on the pallet by the CNC machine and come out to the end here. So here, the operator is just going to pick up the part and put it onto the pallet. This bigger pallet on this line will have space to hold all the components. And this will go over to our assembly line where they're actually going to put everything together. Okay, after that, the operator moves the pallet back to the beginning and everything can start over. Here's our 4 processes. One of the processes will handle 2 components because they're smaller, and the other 3 will be, so we'll have the body done on this machine, the bonnet done on this machine, the hand wheel done here, and the wedge and the gland flange will be done here. Okay, that's it for this portion.